Did you know that snakes are one of the biggest threats to baby parrots? Yet, over millions of years, parrots have evolved incredible ways to fight back. From dense jungles to high cliffs, parrots have adapted to outsmart snakes at every turn. Their survival secrets are truly fascinating. Snakes can climb trees, sense warmth, and even attack hidden nests. For parrots, every breeding season is a battle for their babies' survival. Parrots now nest in deep hollows, post guards, and even team up to scream at intruders. Some species have been seen attacking snakes head-on, defending their young with fearless teamwork. These smart, brave birds prove that evolution favors the protectors. Which parrot behavior amazed you most? Tell us in the comments, and watch our next video.